Alright, so we're gonna kickstart some Yorkshire pudding, and this is big in English cuisine. This is served with your roast beef and some delicious gravy, mashed potato and vegetable. You know what I say?
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
To kickstart this Yorkshire pudding, and the first thing you want to do is to pop this in your oven to heat up. You need this to become very hot. So preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to put this pan in to heat up for about 10 to 20 minutes. We need this super hot. So the first thing, let's go straight to the oven. So while that's heating up in the oven, we're going to sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour. So now that's nicely sifted, we're gonna hit that with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper. This is totally optional, but I like a bit of spice in my thing. So less than 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Just mix that to incorporate everything. And we sift this flour so that everything can be nice and smooth at the end and creamy. We're gonna add 1.5 cup of 2% milk. So now we're just gonna gradually add that milk while mixing to get this nice and smooth. We're gonna go in with 4 eggs. Careful not to get the shells. We're just gonna whisk that out. So this is the consistency that you want. Not too thick, not too thin. Gonna add that back now to our measuring cup. So that tray is still in the oven heating up. Set this in the fridge for about 5 minutes or so to get cool. Ridiculously hot. So what we're gonna do now, add some oil in them. You see me? It's about 1 teaspoon or so. We're going to put this in the oven to become hot and smoky. So as soon as this oil comes to a smoke point, then we're going to add our batter. So we have our mixture here. Back from the fridge. Just going to give that a nice little mix to incorporate everything. See? Nice, smooth and thick. If you find that it's a bit lumpy, you can always strain it before you put it on the refrigerator, so as it doesn't have any traces of lumps. Look at that. Beautiful. Then now we're gonna grab that hot tray. You realize that tray is smoking, right? So that's what you want. Now we're gonna add that generous portion, fill it up, and you should hear it starts to sizzle as soon as that butter hits the pan. Just like that, beautiful, all the way up. So you want to get this back in the oven right away so that it starts to cook. So we're going to put this in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, after which I'll show you what they look like. We still have a bit more liquid remaining. This can be used at a later time, doesn't really matter. So you have more Yorkshire pudding. You feel what I say? But for now, we're making 6. But this could have given me 8 Yorkshire pudding. And these Yorkshire puddings are now ready. And look how beautiful these are. We're going to serve that up with some roast beef, mashed potato, and if you want to serve that with some vegetables. You feel me, I say? So there you have it. How to make your very own homemade Yorkshire pudding here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
Let me see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.